people, is your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, now about this topic of Esther. Esther talk show, So what it really happen of recent, now make I want do this video, my people. So, my darling people, nobody will not see for this life, when I understand. When I remember the wetin happen before, you understand. So that time we be say she did do live video when the husband come tell her say make she stop, we she not stop. Then they can start to the quarrel for live video, which she can call your husband called small cassava. Now if people just come they talk, they go, people not go rest again. Small cassava, small cassava, small cassava. So nobody will not see for this life, when I understand. For that one, I beg, won't see stop, because I believe say the audio will not list yesterday. Now wait to see lead to that one, because the man too see the verse for that thing. Nobody will not go verse, no man will not go verse for that thing. So one take am easy. Una way they always they call am small cassava. It dey hot. Because anytime where that man go they see all those videos, he must they provoke. Nobody will not go provoke for all those kind of things. You understand? So one take am easy. Because yesterday now she don't come out clear the hair, come play her yesterday. So I believe say many people go see learn from this one. And another thing again be say, if you be content creator, because I want just give advice to our people. If you be content creator and you know say your husband tell you say your husband tell you say he use I talk to you, maybe you too they get time for YouTube, they get time for her like that, and you see the way they use I take talk to you, you go stop. You go stop for what you be want do. Not be say all the time, not be say the man they use I talk to you, you not go here, you not good. You understand? I lead to that Esther. I don't tell you and say this saga where they happen for social media, more than they use until they learn from una own. You understand? You will see learn, you will see pick something for his side, say this the way this woman talk, so now true to if it be say you too see they do the same thing, you understand? So maybe they learn for all those things where they happen for social media. Maybe they learn, maybe not just they listen to the saga, they enjoy the saga. No, learn from his side. You see this mistake where she do, so where she go upload video which she not supposed to upload, it go happen to anybody. It go happen to anybody. You understand me? If it go happen to anybody. So you will never happen to, my darling people. May you too still use our own. Take your sense. Phone when you take they do social media, let them different. Let them different for the one where you take for the one where you take they do YouTube. Because sometimes if you go mistake, now go post the one where concern you. You understand me? So now I make in case of next time, what happen to Esther, so it will still happen to you. So look video, if you don't, even though you don't upload them, even though if you want to upload them, play them again. Maybe you look whether the right video. Me, it don't happen to me when I want post video. I go post another video. Now see you video when I want for YouTube, but not be the same. It not be the one when me be want put that moment. I can't go write the title. So somebody can't listen. Now you can't tell me say, Lady J, be like say you made mistake. What do you write for this one? They different for what you in the listing to. Now say, you mean now? Now I can't take look and can't say and say, Now different thing though. Now I can't just say, man, you put that one, then I can't change the title. So what do they make me they talk this one? Be say, now be waiting happen to Esther talk show. So now be waiting happen to Ram. So you understand? So you way it never happened to me. You learn from this one though. Learn from this one, not just they enjoy the saga yesterday and they see that they flagged the video yesterday. They no one make she play the video yesterday because somebody does say he want go play for pay show. So they were flagging the video. They flag and they flag and they flag and that yesterday. They no one make she play the thing. You understand? But God see do and she see finally play am. So you wey never happen to me, you learn from this one, not just the enjoy only the saga. Learn. Me I learned yesterday. if you want to upload video, because when me see her, maybe one wrong call and she not gonna pick before she can finally call me. You can say in the delete her. Somebody don't call and I say okay, because the money now me take see her, and the picture where even they now attract me to even say okay, make I wash. You understand? So you will be say never happen to may you learn from his side. May you not just enjoy only the saga. You understand? And if your husband tell you say may you use air they talk to you, may you code waiting in the talk. You just code say okay, maybe this man want make I do this video. You understand? Because I lead to all those things. Because the man see the verse for the team. Even if you even beg the man for 2 weeks, with months, if you never ever beg her because of that word where she talk. Now people just going to use against her now. Anybody when you sort of small cassava. The Lord they even see another rainy thing talk again. Every time small cassava. You know, if the man they see all those things, you go see, you go verse. No man will not go verse for that kind of thing. So maybe we take am easy. We will be content creator. Sometimes, if you say social media, one cause quarter for your home, my dear, may you limit am. If you say social media, one cause problem, you want make una come the quarrel, you with your husband. It's better yourself you just avoid social media for now. You understand? You just avoid social media. Instead, when we say social media will cause problem for your home, it's better you just avoid that period. Because if you continue, because I know this social media will cause many problems for many homes. Many problems for many homes. It will cause so because when they laugh for Esther home now. You where they watch me so it will still happen to you tomorrow. You cause they say don't be like the J talk so that's when I sense they do this social media. Sometimes if I did one, I see the way my husband use eye look me, I go quote say, but I said oh today I just focus on YouTube. So I just have to just stop. You understand? I have to just stop. See go they like they play with hair. I'm not saying men now. If you don't start to complain, you now you can go complain to your family. Say now YouTube, oh, you know they do another thing again, oh. How you comfy? Actually, the man not be social media person. It will be problem now. You understand? So when we learn from this Esther, or maybe we not just they laugh, they happy. Say they happy for another person down for you. It will still happen to you tomorrow. It will still happen to you tomorrow. And this in social media, we see somebody where your husband slap for live video. They see the naira. So maybe we use our HQ. Thank you, everybody. Take care. So my lady Esther, may you relax. You don't already talk with you want to talk. May you relax. Anyone where another person will come to talk for aproko. May you never go to listen to that aproko again. Because if they listen, you they provoke the more. The more you see your picture, you want to listen to what they talk. You want to reply them. It's better you not just reply them. Boof them like say you not able to see them. It go them more better. You understand? Thank you, everybody. Take care. Until I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you.